update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today. However, within the first 15 minutes of the trading session, the Nifty gave a sharp fall and declined by around 40 points in just a matter of 15 to 20 minutes of the trading session. It has ended in the negative today, the third consecutive day in a row. The advance decline ratio was negative today with 596 advances to 872 declines. HUL from the pharma sector, HUL from the FMCG pack, HDFC Bank, Tata Steel and Jindal Steel were some of the major losers of Nifty today, while the cement stocks and pharmaceutical stocks provided some support to the market. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative today for the third consecutive day. It has closed below the 20-day simple moving average, which was acting as a crucial support as of now. However, it is still trading above the previous swing low of 6665, and the daily momentum indicator has a negative crossover. Now, looking at today's close, it has closed below the 20-day simple moving average, which is not a good sign for the bulls, and the momentum has, if the Nifty has to continue its momentum on the upside, then there should be a pullback above the 20-day simple moving average in the next trading session. Otherwise, the selling pressure can continue on the downside in the coming trading sessions. If the crucial low of 6665 is breached on the downside, then we will have to change our short-term trend from down to up. Then we will have to change our short-term trend to down from up. Now moving on to the chart of hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that this crucial support trend line, which was holding until now, has been breached on the downside, and the Nifty has closed below that. So the initial indications of breaking of this support trend line on the hourly chart, we had got that indicator, but it is still trading above the previous swing low of 6665. So if the Nifty has trades below 6665, then only we will change our short-term trend to down. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty did not continue the momentum it had yesterday, and the banking stocks saw some selling pressure today, like the likes of State Bank of India and some small PSU banks like Allahabad Bank, IDBI Bank, etc. saw some selling pressure today, and the Nifty, the Bank Nifty has closed in the negative today. Crucial support for Bank Nifty is placed at 12,800. 12,800 is a 20-day simple moving average, and below that 12,510, that is the previous swing low, is the crucial support. Resistance on the upside is placed at 13,124 and 13,268. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty still remains positive with a stop loss placed at 6665. If the Nifty manages to trade above the 20-day simple moving average tomorrow, which is placed at 6746, then it is a sign that the rally on the upside can continue in the coming trading sessions. However, if the low of 6665 is breached on the downside, then this is not a good sign for the bulls, and the market might see further selling pressure in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.